What up, custom gangs? We're back with another vid, man. I got a quick little video right here on how to. Yeah, this one right here. This is a 2020 Pathfinder, and it's a tri-coat. But the thing about the tri-coat is that you add the top coat into the clear. So I'm gonna be showing y'all today how to do that. So let's get to it. All right, let's walk in my mixer room and mix this paint. Alright, I got the paint code pulled up on the screen here. As you see, it's NBL, EHP, Enviro-based tri-coat. And we're gonna go with the prime color right here. Boom. Tinted clear coat, transparent coat, contains VM4350 limited toner. It's a limited toner, and I had to order that, so I'm waiting on that right now as we speak. But I'm gonna click on OK. And remember, I told you that the top coat goes into the clear. Here's all the different clears that you can use with that top coat. What I'm gonna be using today is right down here. It's 2042 Deltron DCU 2042. So what we're gonna do? We're gonna scroll down until we can find it. Boom, there it is right there. DCU 2042. So click on that. Select. Boom. And it's gonna pull us to our mixing screen. Alright. This is the main layer right here. These are your colors that go in your main layer. Alright. And then we go right up here and click tinted clear coat. Boom, we hit that, and it brings up our mixing ratio for our tinted clear coat. We got the DCU 2042 and the VM 4350 Vivid Ruby. Of course, I'm gonna be mixing more than, I think that's like 1 part. We're gonna mix way more than that. Well, not way more, but a little bit more than that. But anyway, that's it. So let's go back. Okay, yeah. And G6 is the sealer that you need to use. I've already mixed it up, so we're gonna spray that on the vehicle. Let's go. So I got the sealer mixed up in my LBH 300, my Wada. Yeah, man, it's the only guns I use, man. I love Wadas, but I'm finna get some sealer thrown on there. And another key thing, man, with me. I like, say for instance, see how this panel just has primer on it, and I got a blend on this panel. So what I want to do when I seal it, I want to seal this right here and put a little sealer over there, so therefore it won't be a color difference. But sometimes, you know, you have a color difference, especially with tri-coats on lighter colors. But anyway, let's get the sealer laid down. Another key thing to your to having a trash-free paint job, man, make sure you take your panels off. Always take your panel off. Always. In between every coat. Only coats you can't take your panel off is between clear coats. I wouldn't advise it. Yep. I've never been successful taking off a clear coat. But hey, maybe you are. Nah, don't try that, man. That's gonna mess you. It's gonna mess you up. But yeah. So we got the panel tacked off. Got a filler in our gun. We ready to spray. It is. Still sprayed on it. Usually on my sealer, I put 1 to 2 coats on there, but I think this 1 coat is gonna do the job. So that's what we're gonna leave that. Okay, we back again. Our sealer done dried. It's dry to the touch. And what I like to do, I like to knock down this edge a little bit. I take a little 3000, sandpaper. I just knock it down on the edge a little bit, so that transition from this to that, you know, it'll be smooth. It have a smooth transition, because most of the time, especially with silver, if you leave that like that, it'll have, you can see an edge in the silver, man, and it'll mess your paint job up real bad. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna knock that, we're gonna take it off a little bit, get in there, into the loose dust that's on there, get that off, right? And then we're gonna take our 3000, and we're just gonna knock that edge down. We don't got to get too serious with it. But yeah, we'll knock that edge down, man. Knock that edge down. Take our tag rag, tag it back off. Like I said, this will make your paint job look much better, man. Look way better, should I say. So we got that side. We'll jump on over to this side right here. That dust off, that loose dust, with a tag rag. Come back with our 3000. Knock that edge down. And as you see all that, get that paint job, that grainy effect. I don't want that. I want a smooth surface. Alright, we got the silver edge knocked down. What we're finna do now is go in there and mix our paint. So let's walk out here and get our paint. Because that dye actually came in. As you see it right here. The Vivid Ruby Tinner. The VM4350. So let's take that in our mixer room here. And it's actually like a candy dye. If any of y'all that ever use candy dye, that's what this is right here, man. So sit that right there. Let's get up. All right, we're back on our mixer screen. So we're finna mix our main layer. I'm gonna mix 6 ounces. 6 ounces typed in right there, as you can see. 6 ounces. We're gonna hit mix section, and we're gonna go right here. Mix, skip, and now for our first color is T448. Let's get that out the mixer, man. T448. That one down. And next, and go to our next color. But I'm finna go ahead and mix all my put all my toners in there, and and we're gonna come back on. All right, we got our base color mix. So we're gonna lay that down. We're gonna put like probably about 2 coats on it, depending on how good it comes. got my PPG wind jet blower right here. I'm gonna blow that panel dry because this is waterborne paint and it has to be blown dry. So let's get it done. All right, I got my base down. I actually got 3 coats on there, 3 good coats, and I put a control coat on there also. So let's go in here and mix our dye. All right, we're back in the mixing room. We're gonna mix our clear, our 2042, with our VM 4350. Just up there, we got a 2042 down here on the bottom. In there, we got a little bit over. We got 17, so we'll be all right with that. Now we got our tent right here, the VM 4350. Mix that up. As you can see, it makes a candy concentrate. Yeah. It's almost like a candy there. Well, it is a candy, basically. Let's stir it up pretty good. Add our hardener. 61. $8.95. Take it in the booth. All right, I'm going to explain to y'all what I did, right? Because I couldn't hold the camera and do what I just did with the camera in my hand. Okay, I mixed 2 clears. I mixed one with the dye in it, and I mixed one just regular clear, no dye in it. I'm gonna show you what I did. Okay, this is the clear 2042 with the dye, right? And This is 2042 without the dye. This is regular clear. All right, let's go back over into the vehicle. What I did to make my panels from here to here match, because with the dye actually has color in it. It's a tint. So if you was to run that dye all the way up to this next panel, you'll have a little color difference, right? Being that I'm putting 2 coats of clear on this panel. So what I did, I got my my regular clear. That's that one right there. I cleared this. Boom, 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 right here. See how the hand going? That's where the gun stopped at. Right there. The gun stopped right here. I went down here. I ran down here. I did the same exact thing. Boom, 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 boom. Because it's adjacent to this panel. I don't want any color on this panel. Boom, boom, boom. All right. After that, I run back over. I switch. I grab my dye. Put it on my gun. Run back over. In between here and here, I put my dye. Boom, 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 boom. And that's how I did it for 2 coats. I did 2 coats just the same exact way. And the reason I did that is because I didn't want my color difference to change from here to here. Because like I said, if I was to put dye from here to here, it'll change the color. So that's how I did. And it looks pretty good, as y'all can see. Get the bottom shot down there. That looks pretty good. And actually, to tell you the truth, this is my first time, because this is a Chevrolet dealership, and we rarely have Nissans. And this I think it's MBL or whatever it is. This is my first time ever painting this, and that comes with the dye. I done painted plenty of tri-coats, but this is the first tri-coat that I actually put the dye into the clear. But it turned out pretty good. I wasn't scared, nothing. I wasn't scared. Hey, I just went on to pull the trigger on it, but I had already in my mind what I wanted to do with it. So I went about it my way. There may be other painters out there that say, hey man, you don't supposed to do it like that. Hey, do what works for you, buddy. Yeah, y'all see it. And just like that, man, how to paint a tri-coat. Alright, just like that. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe. If you want more how-to videos like this here, comment below, let me know. Hey, I do this every day. Plus, I got my own little business at the house. Rollo Custom. That's your boy, Mr. Rollo Custom, signing out. Pew! Alright, it's your boy, Mr. Rollo Custom, back in the booth with another one, man. You know what I'm saying? Once I pay the red, you better call the Fed, man, because you know I'm going to bust your head. 251-455-5644. Let me leave you on that wet, baby. You see it? Yeah, got that ruby on this thing, man. It's a tri-coat. Got that candy down on top of it. Ooh-wee. You see it? Yeah, man. I do not play, man. I repeat, I do not play. Holla at your boy, 251-455-5644. Let me leave you on the wet, baby.